As the sun rises over Ho Chi Minh City, the vibrant energy of the Mekong Delta awaits. Prepare to embark on a 2-day journey that will take you through the heart of this stunning region, where you'll discover breathtaking landscapes, vibrant cultures, and unforgettable experiences. Our journey begins in Saigon and take a scenic drive to My Tho, where we'll board a boat and set sail along the Mekong River. As we cruise along the river, you'll be captivated by the sight of floating homes and fish cages, all surrounded by lush greenery. As we navigate through a small canal, you'll have the opportunity to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and immerse yourself in the natural beauty of the region. Our first stop is Ben Tre's Coconut Island, where we'll take a tour of the village and discover the traditional way of life in the Mekong Delta. You'll have the opportunity to meet with the locals, participate in a candy-making workshop, and enjoy honey tea, wine, and fresh fruits while listening to traditional music. This is a truly unique experience that will leave you with a deeper understanding and appreciation of the local culture. After a delightful lunch, we'll catch a private car van to Can Tho, the heart of the Mekong Delta, where we'll spend the night in comfortable accommodation. You'll have the opportunity to relax and soak up the vibrant energy of the city, or venture out and explore the bustling streets and lively markets. On day 2, we'll wake up to a scrumptious breakfast before embarking on a leisurely boat ride along the tributaries of the lower Mekong River to the Kai Rang floating market. Here, you'll witness the bustling activity of locals selling fruits, vegetables, and other products from their boats, a truly unforgettable sight. As we stroll through the hamlet, you'll have the opportunity to see rice noodle making and rice husking, 2 traditional practices that are an important part of the local culture. Our journey comes to an end with a delicious lunch before we embark on the journey back to Ho Chi Minh City, taking in the breathtaking scenery along the way. As you reflect on the unforgettable experiences you've had, you'll be left with a deeper appreciation and understanding of the stunning beauty and rich culture of the Mekong Delta.